Imagine a world with less trash. Picture landfills shrinking, greenhouse gases decreasing, and fertile soil enriching our gardens. This is the promise of composting and zero-waste living. These simple practices can make a world of difference. They empower us to take responsibility for our waste. By embracing these methods, we nurture a healthier planet for ourselves and future generations. Have you ever stopped to think about where your trash goes? Most of it ends up in landfills. Landfills are overflowing, polluting our land and air. Composting and zero-waste living offer a solution. They help reduce the amount of waste we send to these landfills. Zero-waste living encourages us to be mindful consumers. It prompts us to consider the life cycle of products. Composting, on the other hand, closes the loop. It transforms our food scraps into valuable resources. This natural process enriches the soil, reduces the need for chemical fertilizers, and minimizes methane emissions from landfills. By adopting these practices, we embark on a journey towards a greener and more sustainable future. Every step towards reducing waste counts. Every banana peel composted, every reusable bag chosen contributes to a healthier planet. It's time to roll up our sleeves, get our hands dirty, and embrace the power of composting and zero-waste living. Composting might seem daunting at first, but it's remarkably simple. It's nature's way of recycling. Essentially, we're creating the perfect environment for microorganisms to thrive. They break down our organic waste, transforming it into nutrient-rich compost. There are various types of composting systems to choose from. You can opt for a simple open bin, a rotating drum for faster decomposition, or a compact worm composting system for smaller spaces. The key is to select a system that fits your lifestyle and available space. No matter your chosen system, the basic principles remain the same. Start with a layer of brown materials like dry leaves, twigs, and shredded paper. This provides carbon for the microorganisms. Then add a layer of green materials like fruit and vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings. These provide nitrogen. Remember to avoid composting meat, dairy products, and oily foods. These items can attract pests and create unpleasant odors. Aim for a good balance of browns and greens to keep your compost healthy and odor-free. Turn the pile regularly to provide oxygen for the microorganisms. With a little patience and care, you'll soon have rich, dark compost to nourish your garden. Navigating the world of eco-friendly products can feel like deciphering a secret code. Two terms that often cause confusion are biodegradable and compostable. While both suggest a product can break down naturally, there's a crucial difference. Biodegradable simply means a product can be broken down by microorganisms over time. However, this breakdown process can take years, and the resulting byproducts may not be beneficial for the environment. Some biodegradable plastics, for example, break down into tiny microplastics, which persist in the environment and pose a threat to wildlife. Compostable, on the other hand, means a product can break down into organic matter in a specific composting environment within a reasonable time frame. This means it will decompose into non-toxic components that can enrich the soil. Understanding this distinction is crucial for responsible waste management. While biodegradable products can be a step in the right direction, compostable products offer a more sustainable solution. When shopping, look for certified compostable labels to ensure your choices truly contribute to a circular economy. Section 4. Embrace the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, then compost. Composting is a fantastic way to reduce our environmental impact, but it's just one piece of the puzzle. To truly embrace a zero-waste lifestyle, we need to adopt the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, and then compost. Reducing our consumption is the most impactful step. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if you truly need the item. Can you borrow it, rent it, or find a used alternative? By being mindful consumers, we can significantly reduce the amount of waste we generate in the first place. Reusing items is another powerful way to minimize waste. Instead of discarding items after a single use, find creative ways to give them a second life. Glass jars can store leftovers, old t-shirts can be transformed into reusable shopping bags, and plastic containers can be repurposed for organizing. Once we've reduced and reused all we can, composting steps in to handle the rest. By diverting our food scraps and other organic materials from landfills, we transform them into valuable resources. This holistic approach allows us to close the loop and create a more sustainable future. Section 5. Your first compost, a banana peel's journey. Ready to embark on your composting journey? Let's start with a simple challenge: composting a single banana peel. It might seem insignificant, but this small act represents a powerful shift towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Find a suitable spot in your yard or balcony for your compost bin. If you don't have a bin yet, a simple pile in a corner will do. Start with a layer of brown materials like dry leaves or shredded newspaper. Then, place your banana peel on top. Next, cover the banana peel with another layer of browns to prevent pests and odors. Sprinkle a bit of water to keep the pile moist, like a damp sponge. Over the next few weeks, turn the pile occasionally to provide oxygen for the microorganisms. As the microorganisms work their magic, you'll notice the banana peel gradually breaking down. It will transform into rich dark compost ready to nourish your plants. This simple act demonstrates the power of nature's recycling system. It empowers you to make a tangible difference. Section 6. Join the zero-waste movement. Composting and zero-waste living are more than just trends. They are conscious choices for a healthier planet and a more fulfilling life. By embracing these practices, we become active participants in creating a more sustainable future. Remember, every step counts. Start small, be patient, and celebrate your progress. Share your composting journey with friends and family. Inspire them to join the movement. Together, we can create a ripple effect that transforms our relationship with waste and paves the way for a greener and more sustainable world. What will you compost today?